Remember that time you sneezed in class but it lands on your crush? And you end up giving her a rare disease that makes her tell the truth? So you ask her if she likes you, and she says no, but she would if you bought her a car. So you break into the bank. Then you sneeze on the banker to force him to tell you the vault combination. But as you're getting the money, the banker calls the police, and they try to arrest you. So you sneeze on the cop, then ask him if he likes to and he has to be honest, so he lets you go if you keep a secret. So you buy her the car, then run back to your crush and ask her if she likes you now. But she just stares at you. Then she falls on the floor, and you realize she's dying because the disease you gave her is deadly. So you find the cure by getting into Harvard with I Teach Ivy, then you give it to your crush, and it cures her disease. Then you give her the car, but she says that you got the wrong color. So now you're scared she doesn't like you, but you need to know for sure. So you do something crazy.